then you have to be shameless. Have you seen Mr. Donald Trump, President of America, how he behaves? He takes press conference and speaks nonsense. He speaks bullshit. He doesn't have any shame. Day by day, he's becoming more and more brazen. And why are you caring about the people around you? When you read aloud, first of all, your eyes are just focused on that particular sentence, and your mouth is speaking, it's uttering that particular word, and your ears, they are hearing that particular word. So it's three-way impact. So you understand much better. Your memory improves much faster. Yeah, this is really one of the best book to change your habits, to form a new habit. So I will read a paragraph from this book. Hi guys, finally wait is over. Ram is back. Guys, I'm extremely sorry. I apologize. I couldn't upload a single video in last 50 days. Actually, I have a reason for that. I was not keeping well. I was having fever, severe cold, and heavy cough. Because of that, I couldn't speak. So how can I make a video? It's not possible, right? It was not possible for me. So guys, right now I have recovered, but not fully yet. I'm still suffering from the problem called tinnitus. So guys, uh, actually the show must go on, and that's why I'm making the video. So guys, thank you for supporting till now. Thank you for bearing me, and thank you for waiting for my videos. And thank you for everything, guys. So without wasting more time, let's start, guys. How to read a book. So guys, you will ask me a question. Ram, you are talking about spoken English, and then why are you asking us to read a book? Yes, guys, reading is really important. Yeah, because it sharpens your thinking, it improves your concentration, it improves your memory. So that's why reading is really important. Now, you will ask which books to read. Yeah, if you are a beginner, then you can read kid stories. You can go for storybooks. You can read easy inspirational pages, easy blocks. And for intermediate speakers, you can go for novels, you can go for motivational books, inspirational books. You can read a book called Atomic Habits. It's one of the best books available to change your habits, to create new habits. So, guys, reading is really important. How much to read daily? Many people ask me that, Ram, how many pages should I read? So I tell them only 5 pages a day. Some people think if I read 50 pages a day, I will improve much faster. But first, you must have the interest to read. If you don't have the interest, then you won't be able to understand the concepts. You won't be able to make the impact which you want to create in the world. 5 pages a day is a very small activity. You can spend 15 to 13 minutes reading those 5 pages a day, and on a regular basis, you can do that small activity. But if you start reading 50 pages a day, it might consume around 2 hours to 3 hours to read and understand that concept. So, guys, next day you might spend only 10 minutes because you are busy with your other activities as well. Every day, giving 3 hours, 4 hours is not possible. So, guys, in a hurry, don't take such kind of hasty decision. So, guys, focus on the activity and first create interest. If you like reading, then gradually add more pages. After 10 days, you can go for 15 pages or 10 pages. It depends on your interest. So when you start understanding the concepts, understanding the language, once you start having that interest to read, you go for more because ye dil mange more. Now you will say how to read properly, Ram. So my answer is read it slowly, not too fast. Read one line at a time. Stop. Think about it. What is the idea behind? What do you understand? Apply your thinking there. If you don't understand, move to next line and step by step keep on moving ahead. Yeah, if you ask me how to read a book, I will just tell you, just consider it as an elephant. How can we eat that elephant? Can we consume it wholly? It's not possible. As a whole, it's very big. So what we will do, we will divide it into small, small pieces, and then only we can consume it. So guys, similarly, you have to consume the book line by line. So go slowly. Slow and steady wins the race. Don't act too smart and don't run like a super fast train. There is no line behind you. So guys, go slowly, understand, stop, think about it. If you don't understand, move to next line and keep moving on. New words, what to do. If you come across or if you stumble upon a new word, then don't get panicked. Once you panic, you won't be able to focus on the reading. Your attention gets diverted. Your mind always plays tricks. First of all, reading is boring. And to create interest in reading, you have to focus on the reading. If you continuously opening the dictionary, then your flow breaks. Your concentration won't be able to establish again. So what to do? Keep that dictionary away. First, try to guess the meaning of the word. Then mark or underline the word. Start reading again. Continue reading. And if time permits, check the meaning later in the dictionary after finishing all the 5 pages. So that won't break your flow. So, see, don't try to get the meaning or understand the meaning of each and every word. Try to understand the sentence as a whole. Read aloud. Yes, this is very, very important activity. Read aloud. When you read aloud, your pronunciation improves, your memory improves, your speaking improves. So that is why it's really important. When you read aloud, first of all, your eyes are just focused on that particular sentence, and your mouth is speaking, it's uttering that particular word, and your ears, they are hearing that particular word. So it's three-way impact. So you understand much better. Your memory improves much faster. So that's why reading aloud is really important. Don't hesitate. Think like you are sitting in your classroom. Don't think the people around you, what will they think? Will they laugh? If you want to progress, then you have to be shameless. Have you seen Mr. Donald Trump, President of America, how he behaves? He takes press conference and speaks nonsense. He speaks bullshit. He doesn't have any shame. Day by day, he's becoming more and more brazen. And why are you caring about the people around you? You are trying to improve your spoken English. So, guys, if you want to just improve your spoken English, then be more and more brazen. After reading, what's next? Stop. After reading, stop. Take a pause. Ask yourself, what did I understand? Don't close the book and keep it away. So try to understand, try to find out what did you understand? What is the moral of the story? What that author wants to say? Try to summarize between 5 to 6 lines. So try to summarize it. That's really important. Try to recollect, try to remember what did you understand, what that particular author wants to say. When you start summarizing, you will retain more data in your memory, and you will retain more words, you will retain more idioms, more phrases, and that is how your memory, your speaking, everything will improve. Here you are killing two birds with one stone. You are improving your memory, you are improving your spoken English. Now the question is, how do I read it? So you guys will definitely ask me, Ram, would you like to show us how do you read? I will say, why not? Here is a book called Atomic Habits. Yeah, this is really one of the best book to change your habits, to form a new habit. So I will read a paragraph from this book. So listen carefully. How long does it actually take to form a new habit? Habit formation is the process by which a behavior becomes progressively more automatic through repetition. The more you repeat an activity, the more the structure of your brain changes to become efficient at that activity. Neuroscientists call this long term potentiation, which refers to the strengthening of connections between neurons in the brain based on recent patterns of activity. With each repetition, cell to cell signaling improves and the neural connections tighten. I think that's enough. No excuses. Don't give me any excuses. I don't have time. You need hardly 10 to 15 minutes to read 5 pages. So just don't give me that excuse that I don't have time. You have time to watch TV, you have time to watch reels on your mobile, you have time to watch movies for 3 hours, you have time to gossip with your friends. So, guys, take 10 to 15 minutes. It's really important to improve your spoken English. You have to master this language. It's now or never, no matter what. Make it interesting. Practice makes man perfect. When you will start reading repetitively, it will become easier. I will give you an example of a rocket launch. At the start, that rocket to be get launched, it needs more power, more efforts. Once it crosses Earth's atmosphere, then it needs very less power. It becomes effortless. Similarly, initially, you will feel while reading, you will feel boring. You will feel sleepy. That's common. Everyone feels like that. But when you will start reading, when you will become habitual day by day, you will gain more and more interest. And that is how your communication will improve. If you want to create an impact in the world, then you have to take it seriously. That's it from my side, guys. If you guys like my video, then do subscribe and press the like button, and do comment in the comment box. Let me know which is your favorite book and why. Why do you like that book? And let me know about your spoken English journey. Let's grow together.